if you're preparing for your PTE Core exam right now, you're really confused because there are no mock tests available online. Even the official site does not present the real exam-like mock tests. And this is your first time, you're not sure about the exam, there's no online comments on tips and strategies, but there is an answer. HZad Education has made the first ever 15-hour self-paced PTE Core course that covers tips and tricks, strategies, shortcuts, AI marking criteria in detail on all 4 modules. And not only do you get all these benefits, you also get the most important thing right now, mock tests reflecting the real exam content. The real exam questions, the number of questions you would get in the real exam are here. And I'm emphasizing this because in the mock tests you download from the official website right now, those are samples. They don't reflect the 5 to 6, the 10 to 12 question sets you will get. Those mock tests just show you 2 examples of each. So in our course, you're going to get the exact exam experience that you will get in the real PTE Core test, but also the videos, the lectures, the worksheets that you will get will teach you everything you need to know for this exam. Once you start this course, you don't need to look at any other resource, and we say that with confidence because we offer you a money-back guarantee if you do not see improvement in your PTE Core exam. If you're not sure about this exam, how difficult it is, what to do, where to start, just start with Class 1 video of this course. You can find this course in the description. You will also see a shop link, which you can click on. It'll take you directly there. It's an online course. As soon as you order, you'll get it directly on your email, so you don't have to wait for any package or anything. It's the perfect crash course if your exam is in 2 days or in 2 weeks. As soon as you start with Class 1, you will get a lot of guidance there and you will learn everything about this exam, just an overview. From there, you're going to learn all the tips, tricks, strategies, everything you need to know to score a CLB 9. And let's talk about a CLB 9. For reading and listening, it's relatively simple. But for writing, before I say that, let me tell you, PTE Core, the total marks are 90, okay? Now, getting back to CLB. For writing, you need 88 or higher. So there's only 3 options. You score 88, 89, or 90. That is your CLB 9. For speaking, you should score 84 plus. So 84 out of 90. Guys, this is perfection. For writing and speaking, you're not allowed to basically make any mistakes. No mistakes, no grammar mistakes, no in speaking stuttering, using ums, or any grammar mistake there. And the samples we see from our current students, they are full of mistakes, which means this is not an easy exam. Of course, you have options for easier exams like CELPIP, but if you are doing the PTE Core exam, if your mind is set on that, you want to learn the perfect strategies, the best ways you can tackle the exam without grammar mistakes. And again, our course comes with a grammar lesson. You cannot make any pronunciation mistake. Our course teaches you how to work on clarity, and you don't want to make any mistake on task response summary and all those wonderful things that are really annoying, but our course details all those things. So check it out. If you have any questions, you can email us in regards to the course. You can comment here. And again, if you avail this, your path to a CLB 9 will just be more easy and clear because it is a hard requirement. You need perfect scores pretty much. So get started, don't risk your exam, don't risk your immigration dreams. This is designed specifically to help you score CLB 9 or more for your Canadian immigration. If you have any questions, feel free to email. Email is in the description as well. Best of luck.